Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of our short story, that is A Day's Wait. We have already introduced our writer. We have even begun this story in the last video. In the last video, we talked about our writer, that is Ernest Hemingway, how he was famous as a journalist, novelist, short story writer and an adventurous person. He was also known as sports person. He has influenced the generations of America. This short story, as we talked about earlier, is a short story about a day of a 9-year-old boy named Sats. I hope this introduction has provided you enough ground to initiate the story, that is A Day's Wait, and it is a story about the 9-year-old boy named Sats. Let's begin the story, how he spent a day and why the story is named like A Day's Wait. A Day's Wait is a story written about a day of a small boy's life whose name was Sats. He was a 9-year-old boy who lived with his parents. Since it was written by Ernest Hemingway, who had been a journalist, and his style was minimalistic, he wrote short, brisk sentences without running around statements or descriptions, which had made him famous for his iceberg theory. All his literary works carry this imprint of a character of a journalist. In the beginning of the story, we find a 9-year-old boy called Sats entered his parents' room to close the window. His father saw that he looked ill, shivering, and his face was white, and walked with great difficulty as if it ached to move. When his father asked, "What is the matter?" the boy said he had got a headache. His father suggested him to go back to bed and take a rest. But Sats said he was all right. When his father came downstairs after dressing up, he found Sats sitting by the fire. He had fever. Doctor came, took his temperature. It was 102. Doctor left the house after giving a prescription of medicines. They were of different colored capsules with instructions to take them. So, this was the beginning or the introduction about the writer and our beginning of this story, how he begins his day when he was feeling sick, and how our writer tried to comfort his son named Sats. I hope you have enjoyed the explanation and as well as the introduction part of the story. Take care of yourself very well. This is Rita Solanki signing off. Bye-bye.